As you may have guessed from the title, this lesson is all about directives. We've already used directives in our applications, but they were directives that other people had written for us. It's time to write our own directives. We'll start with very simple directives and add complexity as we go. Now, the way we include directives in our application is by using the Angular.directive method. Just like controllers in factories, it accepts the name of our directive followed by the directive function definition. We can also use the $inject property to tell Angular what dependencies our directive needs. Then we define our function for the directive, and just like factories, it needs to return an object. That object contains properties and methods that tell Angular how to process a directive when it comes across it in our application. The most fundamental property we need to include in our directive is a template. A template can either be a raw string via the template property if the template is simple enough, or it can be a template URL to an HTML file if it's a little bit more complex and wouldn't read very nicely as a raw string. There are a number of other properties and methods that we can include in our directive object, which we'll cover in later sections of this lesson. But believe it or not, this is actually a valid directive that we can begin using in our application. Let's go to our index.html file to see how. There are two ways that we can use this directive. The first is by adding it as an attribute to another element. The second is by making it the element itself. Both ways are acceptable, but take note that in HTML elements, our directive is referred to using dashes, whereas in our JavaScript, it uses camel case. Let's go to our browser to see this directive in action. And just as we expected, the h1 element we defined in our directives template is displaying properly to our web page in both instances of our directive.